Holy month of Ramzan one-liner MCQs. Welcome to our YouTube channel Mindability Knowledge by SMS. Before discussing main topic, let me remind you, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, then like the video and share with friends. Back to main topic. Holy month of Ramzan one-liner MCQs. One. Fasting made obligatory in. Answer: 2AH. 2. The fourth fundamental principle of Islam is Ansh fasting. 3. Ramzan is the month of Islamic calendar. Answer: 9th. 4. The month of Ramzan is known as. Answer: Saidu Shahur. 5. What is the meaning of fasting? Answer: to stop. 6. Fasting is commanded in which surah? Answer: Al-Baqarah. 7. The first Ashra is called. Answer: Ashra Rahmat. 8. The second Ashra is called. Answer: Ashra Maghfirat. 9. The third Ashra is called. Answer: Ashra Nijat. 10. The door of John of a fast observing people is. Answer: Babul Ryan. 11. Forbidden days for fasting throughout the year are. Answer: 5 days. Detail: fasting is haram on the following days. 1.2 days of Eid, Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha. 2.3 days after Eid al-Adha, the 11th, 12th and 13th of Dhul Hijjah, also called al-Tashriq. 12. A night which is better than 1,000 nights. Answer: Laylatul Qadr. 13. What is the meaning of itikaf? Answer: seclusion. 14. The prerequisite of fasting is. Answer: self-control. 15. The atonement for breaking the fast is. Answer: to feed 60 people. 16. In which month was the Holy Quran revealed? Answer: Ramzan. 17. The festival that occurs at the end of Ramadan is. Answer: Eid ul-Fitr. 18. In which year Ramadan is expected to occur twice? Answer: 2030. 19. Battle of Badr was fought on _ of Ramadan. Answer: 17th. 20. Name the month which comes after Ramadan. Answer: Shawwal. 21. Eid ul-Fitr means that. Answer: breaking the fast. 22. Itikaf is _ in the month of Ramzan. Answer: Sunnah. 23. The function of fasting is _ Answer: to make the sacrifice of body and soul. 24. Fasting is between Rozadar and _ Answer: Allah. 25. If a person misses a fast due to any compulsion, he will have to pay / keep _ Answer: Kaffara. 26. How many types of fast a Muslim keeps? Answer: 3. Detail: 3 types of fasting are recognized by the Quran. 1. Ritual fasting. 2. Fasting as compensation for repentance, both from Quran 2. 3. Ascetic fasting, from Quran 33. 27. How many fasts Hazrat Isha, as, kept in desert and advised his followers to follow it? Answer: 40. 28. When the month of Ramzan comes, the doors of the heaven are opened and the doors of hell are closed. It is a. Answer: Hadith. 29. What food is traditionally first eaten to break the fast at the end of the day? Answer: dates. 30. Which pillar of Islam is declared as Amma? Answer: Som fast. 31. Psalm, fasting, resembles Hadith with a. Answer: shield. 32. Who are exempt from Ramadan's fasting? Answer: fasting during the month of Ramadan is mandatory for all healthy adult Muslims. Children who have not reached puberty, the elderly, those who are physically or mentally incapable of fasting, pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers and travelers are exempt. 33. The Holy Prophet, PBUH, regarded Ramadan as the month of. Answer: empathy. That's all for now. For more such videos, stay tuned with Mind Ability Knowledge by SMS. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Take care, bye bye.